How's it going? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the back cover on a Dell Chromebook 5190. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then use fingers to pry apart bottom base. Now remove battery screws. Then remove brackets and disconnect battery. Then unscrew and remove bracket. Then disconnect and remove wireless card. Now unscrew and disconnect bracket and display cable. Now unscrew and remove display assembly. Then use a thin object to pry apart and remove screw covers. Now remove screws from bezel. Then gently pry apart and remove display bezel. Now disconnect and remove web camera. Then unscrew and turn over screen. Now disconnect and remove screen. Now unscrew and remove display hinges. Now remove display cable. The remaining piece is the back cover. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.